Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Standard 8. Now let's start our study with grammar. This is your grammar book and our first lesson is parts of speech. See, our speech is formed with sentences and sentences formed by different words or different parts. So we can say that the parts which formed our speech, the parts which formed our speech are called parts of speech. There are total 8 parts of speech. They are there are total 8 parts of speech and they are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, preposition, conjunction, adverb and interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech. Most of them we have studied in standard 7. Do you remember? Okay, let's revise them. See, here in the textbook, one poem is given to explain different parts of speech. In one line, it explains a part of speech, and in another line, it gives some examples. First line માં આપણને parts of speech સમજાવવામાં આવી છે અને બીજી લાઈનમાં examples આપવામાં આવ્યા છે. So let's read the poem. Before we study part of speech in detail, here is an interesting poem that gives brief definition and explain examples of the different parts of speech. Now read the poem. A noun is the name of a thing, like gun, court, queen or king. So what is noun? A noun is a name of a person or a thing, an exact person or an exact thing. So that is noun. Here are some examples given, like gun, god, queen or king. They are nouns. Okay, now see the another line. Instead of nouns, the pronouns stand. You see, she has my picture in her hand. Here we can say that the definition of pronoun is given. What is pronoun? The pronoun is a word which stand instead of noun. જ્યારે આપણે નામની જગ્યા ઉપર કોઈક શબ્દ યુઝ કરીએ તો તેને શું કહેવાય? પ્રોનાઉન. નામની જગ્યા ઉપર જે વર્ડ યુઝ થાય એને શું કહેવાય? પ્રોનાઉન. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, you see, she has my picture in her hand. Here, you is a pronoun, she is a pronoun, my is a pronoun and her. So these are the examples of pronouns. Why? Because if I say you, instead of you I can say your name also. So instead of name I can use you also. Okay, so નામની જગ્યા ઉપર જ્યારે હું you use કરું, so you is become a pronoun because it use instead of name. તમારા નામની જગ્યા ઉપર હું you પણ use કરી શકું. So you is a pronoun. Then next example, she. તો શીની જગ્યા ઉપર કોઈક નામ પણ હોઈ શકે, બરોબર? So she is also a pronoun. She is used instead of noun, so it is also pronoun. Then my picture. Instead of my I can use my name also, but here my is used. So my is used instead of anyone's name. કોઈકના નામના જગ્યા ઉપર અહીંયા my શબ્દ યુઝ થયો છે. Okay, so my is also a pronoun. Then her. Her is also a pronoun. It is also used instead of a noun. So noun ની જગ્યા ઉપર name ના જગ્યા ઉપર her use થયું છે. Okay, so it is also pronoun. So which are the pronoun in this line? You, she, my, and her. These are the pronoun. Do you remember pronouns? Okay, let's see another pronouns. I, we, you, you, he, she, it, and they. So these all are personal pronoun. They also used instead of name. So they are also pronoun. See other line. Adjectives tells what kind of a noun. Adjectives tell what kind of a noun. So નાઉન કેવા પ્રકારનું છે, નેમ કેવા પ્રકારનું છે, એ આપણને કોણ જણાવશે? એડજેક્ટિવ્સ. સો હિયર એડજેક્ટિવ્સ ટેલ્સ સમથિંગ અબાઉટ નાઉન. ધ વર્ડ વિચ ટેલ સમથિંગ અબાઉટ નાઉન, they are our adjective. Yes, very good. So adjective tells us something about noun. Which are the examples? Such as big, small, black or brown. These all are examples of adjective. Big. For example, big house. Big house. Here house is a noun and big tells something about noun. Big, મોટું ઘર. હવે મોટું આપણને ઘર વિશે કંઈક જણાવે છે. બિગ વર્ડ એ આપણને કોના વિશે જણાવે છે? હાઉસ વિશે જણાવે છે. સો બિગ ટેલ સમથિંગ અબાઉટ નાઉન. સો ઇટ ઇઝ એન એડજેક્ટિવ. સ્મોલ. સ્મોલ ટાઉન. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ સ્મોલ ટાઉન. સો સ્મોલ આપણને ટાઉન વિશે કંઈક જણાવે છે. સો સ્મોલ became an adjective. Okay. Next example, black. Black hair. Hair is a noun and black is an adjective. Black આપણને કોના વિશે જણાવે છે? તો hair વિશે જણાવે છે. Yes, hair શું છે? Noun. So adjective tell something about noun. So black hair. Here black is an adjective. Hair is a noun. Okay. Now brown. Brown eyes. For example, brown eyes. Here eyes. These are noun. Eyes is a noun. And brown. Brown eyes. Eyes is a noun and brown is an adjective. Why? Because brown tells something about noun. બ્રાઉન શું છે? તો આઈસ કેવી છે? બ્રાઉન છે. બરોબર? તો બ્રાઉન આપણને કોના વિશે જણાવે છે? આઈસ વિશે જણાવે છે. સો બ્રાઉન became a noun, adjective, sorry. Now let's see the next line. Verbs tell of things to be done. Verbs tell of things to be done. An action, the word which shows an action, it is our verb. So which are verb? To read or write, to walk or run. These all are the example of verbs. આપણે શું ક્રિયા કરીએ છીએ? આપણી જે કંઈ પણ કંઈ ક્રિયા હોય એ બધી જ ક્રિયાઓ શેમાં આવશે? Verbs. Very good. So verbs tell of things to be done. So these are the examples of verbs. To read or write, to work, walk or run. Now see the next line. How things are done, the adverbs tell. How things are done, the adverbs tell. Now હવે આપણું verb કેવા પ્રકારનું છે? verb કેવા પ્રકારનું છે એ આપણને કોણ કહેશે? એડવર્બ. કોણ કહેશે? એડવર્બ. સો વર્બને આપણે જો હાઉ એવો ક્વેશ્ચન કરીએ, if we ask how to our verb, the answer, whatever answer we get is our adverb. કે જે આપણને આન્સર મળે એ શું હશે? એડવર્બ. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, સ્લોલી. શી વોક સ્લોલી. હવે વોક એ સ્લોલી ચાલે છે, બરોબર? તેણી સ્લોલી ચાલે છે. તો હિયર સ્લોલી ટેલ્સ સમથિંગ અબાઉટ વોક. કેવું ચાલે છે? તો સ્લોલી. સો ઇટ ઇઝ એડવર્બ. વર્બમાં કંઈક વધારો કરે, બરોબર? વર્બના અર્થમાં કંઈ વધારો કરે, આપણને વર્બ વિશે કંઈક વધારે જણાવે. સો ઇટ ઇઝ એડવર્બ. ક્વિકલી, badly, or well. These all are adverbs. Now see the next line. Preposition stands before a noun or pronoun. Prepositions stand before a noun or pronoun as on Sunday at night with me in town. In this line, on, at, with, and in, these all are examples of prepositions. There are many prepositions like in, on, under, near. These all are prepositions. They all are stand before noun or pronoun. Okay, let's see the next line. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that work as a link. The conjunction is a word which combine two lines or combine two sentence. બે સેન્ટેન્સને જે કમ્બાઈન કરે, જોડે, એને conjunction કહેવાય. For example, and, or, but, because are most common, I think. These are the examples of conjunctions. Which are the conjunctions? And, or, but, because. These all are the examples of conjunctions. Now see the next line. Interjections. Interjections are expression of surprise. These are the word which express our surprise. For example, as ah, wow, hurrah, oh Lord, how wise. These are the 8 parts of speech. So these are the 8 parts of speech. We will discuss them later. Take care, students.